That's right, on all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, you can name them all. Organic reach is now history. Why? Hi, I'm MrMashobane for Media Space. We have to all understand that social media is a business. Whether it's Facebook or any other, the creators of that platform are in it for profit because it is ultimately a business and more money is generated with paid ads. It's not long ago when you knew or you had a guarantee that relatively higher number of followers or a higher number of subscribers or likes on your Facebook page, you would get relatively higher reach, which means more reactions to your posts, which means more engagement, and which means more sales to your services or goods. So why did it lower? Why is it that Facebook or all these platforms favor you paying for the attention rather than having it just as much as you have earned your following? Well, let's just break it down in one sentence. Every platform caters for advertising. If you are not on the platform to advertise, I'm sorry, you will be put aside. So the solution is you either have advertising budget on these platforms or it is what it is. If you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and watch the next video.